Welcome back to Microsoft Sphere, where the pace never slows and the insights are always fresh. Get ready, because the world of tech and beyond is buzzing, and we've got the unmissable updates you need to stay ahead. First up, we're looking at the financial pulse of the tech world, as major players review their spending patterns, with a spotlight on the big spenders. Then, we're uncovering the surprising technology that propelled a tech titan to unprecedented wealth, challenging conventional wisdom. Next, we're dissecting a tech giant's strategic moves amidst AI-driven growth and significant restructuring efforts. And finally, we're heading to the pitch for a massive sports showdown in a legendary venue, set to break attendance records. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Market momentum shifts. Tech giants reevaluate spending amidst economic winds. The technology sector, a perennial engine of innovation and economic growth, is currently experiencing a period of careful recalibration. Leading companies are undertaking thorough reviews of their spending patterns, a move that signals a strategic response to evolving market dynamics and a heightened awareness of fiscal prudence. This reassessment is particularly noteworthy as it involves some of the most influential players in the industry, including Meta, Intel, and Oracle, who are identified as top spenders, now scrutinizing their investment strategies. In the intricate world of finance and technology, such reviews are rarely isolated events. They often reflect broader economic trends, investor sentiment, and the ongoing quest for sustainable growth. Meta, known for its ambitious metaverse projects and significant investment in artificial intelligence research, is likely examining the allocation of its vast resources. Intel, a titan in semiconductor manufacturing, faces a landscape of intense competition and the imperative to invest heavily in next-generation chip technology while managing operational costs. Oracle, a powerhouse in cloud computing and enterprise software, is similarly navigating the complexities of the AI revolution, which demands substantial capital for infrastructure and research and development. The fact that these companies are identified as top spenders suggests that their strategic reviews could have a ripple effect across the tech ecosystem. Investments in research, development, marketing, and infrastructure by these giants often create opportunities and dependencies for numerous smaller companies, suppliers, and partners. A slowdown or redirection of spending could impact innovation cycles, hiring trends, and the competitive landscape. For instance, Meta's spending is critical to the development of its metaverse vision, while Intel's capital expenditure is crucial for maintaining its manufacturing edge. Oracle's investments are key to its continued dominance in the enterprise software and cloud services market. Analysts are closely watching these developments, seeking to understand the underlying reasons for the spending reviews. Factors such as inflation, interest rate hikes, shifts in consumer behavior, and geopolitical uncertainties could all be contributing to a more cautious approach to capital allocation. Furthermore, the push towards greater efficiency and profitability in an increasingly competitive market might be prompting these companies to optimize their expenditures, ensuring that every dollar spent yields maximum strategic value. The implications for the broader market are significant. When major tech firms temper their spending, it can lead to a broader market sentiment shift, influencing investor confidence and potentially impacting stock valuations across the sector. The tech industry's ability to absorb economic shocks and continue investing in future growth has long been a key driver of its resilience. This period of review, therefore, is not just about internal financial management. It's a barometer for the health and future direction of the technology industry as a whole. Audience impact. The tech stock market is abuzz with speculation about how these spending reviews will affect future product development and industry growth, with many investors keen to see if efficiency gains will translate to higher profitability. But what if the technology being scrutinized is also the very thing driving unprecedented wealth? We'll explore the surprising tech behind one billionaire's fortune next. Unconventional tech fuels billionaires' ascent, the gibberish that rewrote fortunes. In a remarkable testament to innovation and disruptive thinking, Oracle founder Larry Ellison has ascended to become the second richest man on Earth, a position he has achieved largely by embracing and developing technology that he himself once characterized as complete gibberish. This intriguing paradox highlights a core tenet of technological advancement, that the most transformative ideas often emerge from the fringes, challenging established norms and conventional wisdom. Ellison's journey, which has seen him overtake titans like Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg in wealth, is a compelling narrative of foresight and the strategic exploitation of emerging technological paradigms. The specific technology in question, while not explicitly detailed in the initial reports, is widely understood to be rooted in advancements within artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sophisticated data analytics, particularly as applied to cloud computing and enterprise solutions. Oracle, under Ellison's long-standing leadership and vision, has pivoted aggressively towards cloud infrastructure and services, a domain where the processing of vast datasets and the application of AI algorithms are paramount. It is in these complex computational environments that the gibberish of early AI research has evolved into the powerful, revenue-generating tools of today. Ellison's early embrace of these nascent technologies, even when they were met with skepticism, is a critical factor in Oracle's current market standing. While many established tech companies were hesitant to invest heavily in what seemed like theoretical or impractical concepts, Ellison saw the potential for these systems to revolutionize business operations. This included everything from optimizing complex supply chains and managing massive databases to personalizing customer experiences and predicting market trends. The ability of AI to learn, adapt, and perform tasks with increasing sophistication has become the bedrock of modern enterprise software and cloud services. Furthermore, Ellison's strategy has consistently involved integrating these advanced technologies into Oracle's core offerings, making them accessible and valuable to businesses worldwide. This approach has not only bolstered Oracle's existing product lines, but has also opened up new avenues for growth, particularly in the burgeoning field of cloud-based AI solutions. The company's cloud services, powered by sophisticated AI, now compete at the highest level, attracting major clients and generating substantial revenue. The personal wealth accumulation by Ellison is a direct consequence of Oracle's market success. As the company's value and profitability surged, driven by the adoption of these advanced, AI-centric technologies, so too did the value of his stake in the company. His ability to identify and capitalize on the potential of technologies that others dismissed as gibberish underscores a visionary leadership style that prioritizes long-term strategic advantage over short-term validation. This narrative serves as a powerful reminder that innovation often requires a willingness to challenge the status quo and to invest in ideas that may not be immediately understood or accepted. Ellison's financial triumph, built on the back of what was once considered gibberish, is a compelling case study in the transformative power of embracing the future, even when it looks unfamiliar. Audience impact. Tech enthusiasts and business leaders are discussing how Ellison's success validates bold investment in AI and cloud technologies, sparking debates about the future of enterprise innovation. From groundbreaking personal fortunes to the strategic financial maneuvers of tech giants, we continue our deep dive. Next, we examine Oracle's latest financial performance and restructuring efforts in the face of AI-driven market shifts. Oracle's strategic balancing act, navigating AI growth and restructuring amidst high-volume trading. Oracle, a long-standing titan in the enterprise software and cloud computing landscape, is currently executing a complex strategic maneuver, marked by significant trading volume and a notable presence in the market. The company is actively navigating the dual currents of robust AI-driven growth opportunities and the inherent risks associated with corporate restructuring. This dynamic situation is underscored by a substantial $2.2 billion in trading volume, positioning Oracle as the 32nd most active stock, indicating significant investor interest and market engagement. The company's focus on artificial intelligence is a critical component of its forward-looking strategy. As AI technologies continue to mature and permeate various business sectors, Oracle is positioning itself to capitalize on this trend by integrating AI capabilities into its extensive suite of cloud services and enterprise solutions. This includes enhancing its database management systems, customer relationship management, CRM, platforms, and human capital management, HCM, software with advanced AI features. The goal is to provide clients with more intelligent, automated, and data-driven tools that can optimize business processes, improve decision-making, and foster innovation. However, this pursuit of AI-driven growth is occurring concurrently with significant internal restructuring efforts. While the specifics of this restructuring are not fully detailed, it typically involves optimizing operational efficiency, streamlining business units, potentially consolidating certain functions, and adapting the organizational structure to better support new strategic priorities, such as the expansion of its cloud infrastructure and AI services. Restructuring can often involve workforce adjustments, shifts in management focus, and the reallocation of resources to high-growth areas. The high trading volume suggests that the market is actively processing these developments, with investors evaluating the potential impact of both the growth initiatives and the restructuring on Oracle's future performance. The $2.2 billion trading volume signifies robust market activity, reflecting a considerable number of shares changing hands. This level of activity can be driven by various factors, including institutional investors rebalancing portfolios, retail investors reacting to news and market sentiment, and traders capitalizing on perceived opportunities. Oracle's 32nd rank in activity suggests it is a prominent player in current market discussions and investment strategies. Analysts are closely observing Oracle's ability to successfully integrate its AI advancements while effectively managing the complexities of its restructuring. Key metrics being monitored include revenue growth from cloud services, the adoption rate of its AI-powered solutions, and the impact of restructuring on profitability and operational efficiency. The company's performance in these areas will be crucial in determining its long-term competitive positioning and shareholder value. The market's reaction, as evidenced by the trading volume, suggests a cautious optimism. Investors are keen to see how Oracle balances the significant investments required for AI leadership with the potential short-term disruptions and costs associated with restructuring. The success of this dual strategy will be pivotal for Oracle as it aims to maintain its relevance and leadership in the rapidly evolving technology landscape, particularly in the competitive cloud and AI markets. Audience impact. Investors and industry observers are closely analyzing Oracle's financial reports for signs of how AI investments and restructuring are affecting its market share and profitability, with many anticipating major strategic shifts. From the financial markets to the world of sports, we're covering the spectrum of impactful events. Get ready for a major sporting spectacle as we head to a legendary venue for a record-breaking match. Oracle Park set to ignite. Bay FC faces Washington Spirit in historic NWSL showdown. Football fever is set to reach an unprecedented peak as the San Francisco Bay Area prepares to host a landmark National Women's Soccer League, NWSL match. Bay FC, the region's newest professional women's soccer franchise, is scheduled to face off against the formidable Washington Spirit at the iconic Oracle Park. This highly anticipated clash, slated for August 22, 2025, is not merely a game. It's a cultural event poised to shatter attendance records and redefine the landscape of professional women's sports in the United States. The significance of this matchup is amplified by its venue. Oracle Park, renowned as the home of the San Francisco Giants, offers a picturesque setting on the shores of the San Francisco Bay, promising a visually stunning backdrop for the high-stakes encounter. The decision to host the game at this premier venue underscores the growing stature and commercial appeal of women's soccer. It signals a commitment from both the league and the participating teams to elevate the sport's profile by leveraging world-class facilities that can accommodate massive crowds. In a remarkable display of fan enthusiasm and growing support for women's soccer, ticket sales for this match have already surpassed previous NWSL single-game attendance records. Bay FC announced that sales have exceeded 35,000 tickets, a figure that not only makes it the most attended NWSL match ever, but also sets a new benchmark for any U.S. professional women's league across all sports. This milestone achievement is particularly meaningful for the Bay Area, a region with a rich history of supporting women's athletics, having contributed 4 entries to the top 50 most attended women's professional league games in the past. Key players to watch include Bay FC's midfielder Caroline Conti, who has been instrumental in the team's chance creation, stabilizing the midfield and demonstrating clutch performance with her penalty-taking ability. On the opposing side, Washington Spirit's forward Trinity Rodman, a U.S. women's national team star, is known for her game-changing impact. Despite a recent injury, Rodman has returned strongly, recently scoring a crucial game-winning goal. The strategic moves by Bay FC leading up to this game have also been noteworthy. The team recently bolstered its defense by acquiring defender Sydney Collins, signing her to a 2-year contract, reinforcing the backline for future seasons. Meanwhile, the Washington Spirit, currently in 4th place in the league, is on an unbeaten streak in the second half of the season and has shown resilience with late-game heroics. The Spirit's coaching staff has also seen a change, with Adrián González taking the helm as permanent manager. Fans attending the match are in for a treat, with the first 20,000 attendees receiving an exclusive Bay FC commemorative flag. Information on ticket offers, streaming options, and team merchandise is readily available, encouraging widespread participation and engagement. The match will also feature Bay FC sporting their Obsidian home jersey, with opportunities to purchase exclusive merchandise available at the venue. This historic event at Oracle Park is more than just a competition. It's a celebration of the growth, passion, and burgeoning power of women's soccer, promising an unforgettable experience for fans and a significant moment for the sport's history. Audience impact. Soccer fans are expressing immense excitement about the record-breaking attendance, viewing it as a pivotal moment for the NWSL and a testament to the sport's growing popularity. From record-breaking attendance to pivotal player performances, the world of sports continues to captivate. We'll wrap up today's biggest stories with a quick recap and a look at what's next. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Tech stocks are seeing a pause as spending patterns are reviewed, with Meta, Intel, and Oracle leading the way. We uncovered how Oracle founder Larry Ellison became a billionaire by embracing technology once called gibberish. Oracle is also navigating AI growth and restructuring, impacting its market position. And in sports, Bay FC is set to break attendance records at Oracle Park for their match against the Washington Spirit. Don't miss out on future updates. Like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all social media platforms for more. See you next time.